Good evening. Many aspirants who are preparing for civil services examination dream to crack IAS. For getting into IAS, the first and the foremost thing is to clear the preliminary examination. But sometimes majority of the people will fail to clear the preliminary examination. What are the reasons? So this is not the lack of knowledge that is within them, but it is the approach towards this preliminary examination. That is the reason why you might have heard some people by saying that I missed to clear the preliminary examination by 1 mark, by half mark. Why is it happening? So this is all happening because of not following certain approach. In order to find out what exactly should be done to clear the preliminary examination of IAS 2021, what are the general mistakes that are made by the aspirants and how to overcome. In order to discuss all these things, we are going to organize a webinar on February 1st, evening 6 o'clock. And I wish all really and seriously preparing students to attend this particular webinar to get enlightened with many things. So once you start following these particular methods, it becomes very easy for you to clear the preliminary examination of IAS 2021. But how do you join this webinar? Now I would like to share the information with you. You please take a pic of this. IAS 2021 prelims, and we are going to give you the solution oriented approach to clear prelims, and what are the general mistakes and how to avoid the same. In order to know these things and many more things, you please join our exclusive webinar on February 1st, 2021. And this will be available on our website only for 2 days, that is on February 1st and February 2nd. In order to attend this particular webinar, you need to pay a very small amount of rupees 99 rupees. The amount is very small, but the amount of information, knowledge, approach, methodology that you are going to get is enormous. And in order to give this information only to very seriously preparing aspirants, we are charging a very nominal amount. And you can pay this amount to this particular number through Google Pay, Phone Pay or Paytm. And after the payment is done, along with the payment screenshot, you please send me your name, your mail ID and WhatsApp number, and forward your message to my WhatsApp number. You can observe very clearly my Google Pay number and WhatsApp number both are same. So please join this particular webinar and get lot of information and get lots of enlightenment and clear the preliminary examination to be conducted in June 2021. And I wish to see you all on February 1st. And kindly remember, this particular webinar is available only for 2 days. And this is available only for those who get registered by paying a very nominal amount of just 99 rupees. And I wish to see you all there. And I wish you all very good luck. Take very good care. Thank you so much.